your own business is never a walk in the park. But when you take charge of your own life, the long working hours definitely feel like they're worth it. Hi, I'm Gursakhi Lugani. I run a fashion brand by the name of Nakhrewaali. When we started the brand about 4.5 years ago, I had absolutely zero idea on how to, use social media to get more customers, how to build more credibility, how to reach more people, how to gain more visibility. I literally used all the jugars in the world, made lots of mistakes, and I learned through the journey of my brand and those mistakes. And today we've been able to reach at least 200x times the number of customers only through social media since then. And I'm here to share my game plan with you guys. So join me in my workshop where I talk about social media strategy for small and medium businesses through the eyes of an entrepreneur. Really, no textbook yarn, no big budget bullshit, only some really helpful tips and tricks to help you understand your current business strategy better and the changes you can make to hack that growth, get more visibility, form a community and audience for your brand, and of course get quality customers for your product and your services. So sign up now. Go now.